I literally gained 100 subscribers in 2.5 days, but then I did the worst mistake you should never do. At this moment, my most viewed short alone gave me 116 subscribers, which I uploaded the 18th of March, and I was done by 100 in the 20th of March. But here is the point. When your one video performs well, then there is high chance for your next video to perform more. I also thought and mistakenly uploaded a short, which was already made by someone, and I recorded the short from their videos and just added voice. In that short, I also changed my upload time, and that is why it didn't get the boost it should. So go with the same upload time every day, and must avoid the third mistake. If you are still not using ChatGPT properly, then you are lagging so behind. ChatGPT will exactly tell you which time is the best for uploading for your region and topic. Share your ideas with ChatGPT and follow its suggestions, then upload your videos or shorts. So let's summarize the mistakes and solutions. If you want, I can also share how to exactly sharpen at a high level in CapCut Mobile for free.